Hi guys, I'm Garima Agarwal from the Design Venue, and I would like to share with all of you my beautiful experience of securing 99.9 percentile in JEE Arch and also a very high AIR, which opens all my doors to best architecture colleges in India. So let me start with it. How is the paper first of all? The paper has three sections which you have to complete in 3 hours. Now each section has different marks, like the architecture aptitude questions have 200 marks, then the maths questions have 100 marks, then your drawing section has 100 marks. Now the architecture awareness questions, if I want to start, those are 15 questions, and rest of the questions are 45 questions, which you have to complete. I would suggest 45 minutes, because if you know it, you know it. If you don't, please don't guess, because there's +4 -1 marking in it. So I'll give you an example what all GK questions can come. Like they'll ask you where is the building located, what is it cladded with, and all the awareness things which about important monuments basically, and even general stuff about your flooring and all that. Then you have logical questions. Logical question consists of a picture, and then they'll ask you to count the number of edges or surfaces in it, or how does it look from the plan or side views of it. So that's about the architecture aptitude questions. Now the second part is maths. Now this maths is actually very tough because it's JEE level maths. Your CBSE or basic maths won't help you in this. So I would suggest you get a book and solve at least every day some questions, so that your concept gets clearer and you get a way how to solve things in the paper. And if you score half of the total math score also, I would say you're good to go. Then there's third section, which is your drawing section, which has two parts in it. First part is your 2D composition. In 2D composition, they'll give you mostly some shapes, and then you have to make a very pleasing aesthetic creation of yours. And two things you have to keep in mind during this is, please keep a good color scheme. Keep any color scheme, but stick to it, and have in mind and just keep going with it. Second is your principles of design. It's very important when you make an abstract drawing to keep principles of design in mind and make use of them properly. Second part will have three choices mostly. First will be your portrait of anything, your friends, family, or even a superstar. Then other two will mostly be your theme sketches. Theme sketches are perspective drawing, your first 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and that can be drawn through, you have to do it through with your different grades of pencils. And try making different try using different shading techniques, and use different kind of perspectives or something which makes it look very interesting. Try making a rough sketch before the actual sketch, so that it's all structured. Now this is about the pattern, and I would tell you, please focus on the 200 marks the most, because that architecture aptitude questions, because that's the scoring part. That will bring your total score up. And personally for me, it helped. Sir and ma'am gave some stuff to read. They always taught us these things, so it was easier for me, and things what they taught came in the exam also. So that helped me. The Design Venue helped me a lot in this whole process. I would always be excited to go back there, because every Friday, Saturday, it was a very nice experience to go there and learn new things. So this is it. And even in pandemic, they used to help us a lot. So guys, I think if I can do, Garima Agarwal can do this. So surely you all can do. Just have a timetable, stick to it, and keep going. Just be motivated. So you all got this. All the best.